Look, 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 look. Hey guys, good morning and welcome back to the channel. So for today's video, there we go, that's better. So for today's video, right-hand drive screen mounts. Yep, they're going into production. So wanted to show you guys a prototype of the right-hand drive screen mount kit. I've been working on this for some time, and for those of you that are new to the channel and don't know about this, first off, welcome. My name is Matt. This is Tech Forum, and on my channel I discuss primarily the ownership experience of having a 2018 long-range rear-wheel drive Tesla Model 3. I've currently got 73,713 miles on my car, and I also I like doing work to the interior. You can see that I've done a Alcantara covering over the stock wood. I have a tablet mounted here in front of the steering wheel running the Scan My Tesla app, and I also manufacture adjustable screen mount kits. And now this screen mount kit, what it does is it lowers the screen about 1.7 inches, give or take, which would, what would that be, maybe 35 to 37 millimeters, and it pitches the screen forward 9 degrees to give a better line of sight to where your eyes naturally fall, and will go either parallel with the dash or will angle toward you by way of a couple locking bolts that you loosen up with an Allen wrench, reposition the screen, and when you reposition it, it sweeps away from the driver to reduce how much it would dive behind the steering wheel when you adjust it, and then lock it down so you can angle it toward the driver. Now this has been only a left-hand drive item for quite some time, and I've had a lot of right-hand drive requests. So to that end, I've been developing the right-hand drive screen mount kit. Now this is just a prototype, but it is a working prototype. It's nice and sturdy, and it's, you know, two-piece machined aluminum, just like the left-hand drive kit. There are going to be some revisions, however. Right now, it is angled a little bit, or it's shifted to the right. I have the angle changed, but it's actually shifted to the right of center, where it should be shifted to the left of center. So it will be shifted over 1.5 or 2 inches or so in the production version. So if it looks odd from that camera angle, that's why. But I wanted to show you guys that I am working on it, and what we've been doing is the machinist purchased a new large CNC milling machine, and to try and keep up with production for the left-hand drive kits, as well as other jobs that he has going. And so he's been machining like crazy of the standard left-hand drive screen mount kits to try to build up a surplus inventory of those before we switch over to production on the right-hand drive kits. So that way I can still ship left-hand drive kits while we tool up for final production for the right-hand drive kits. So that's kind of what's going on right now. So here's the deal with it. There are some specific changes to the right-hand drive kit. It wasn't just mirroring the left-hand drive kit for the right-hand drive, and it's difficult, without revealing what the design is, it's difficult to explain why. So this has taken more time than I realized, and the market for right-hand drive kits is smaller than left-hand drive. So here's what's going to happen with these. Just as with the left-hand drive kits, I'm showing the prototype and putting out a video before production. What I'm going to do is take a deposit from those of you that would like a right-hand drive kit. I had a rough idea of what might sell for the left-hand drive kits. I have no idea for the right-hand drive. So what I'm going to do is this. I'll take a $50 deposit from you guys who want a right-hand drive kit, with the understanding that it's going to be 2 to 3 months from now. Now, it could be sooner, but just in case we have any hitches in production or part sourcing or whatever, I'm going to quote 2 to 3 months to deliver the first kits. So I'll put my my email address as a link in the description below. You can PayPal me $50 along with a note that this is a deposit for the right-hand drive screen mount kit. Final price, I'm going to set it at $295, which is $10 more than the left-hand drive kit. The left-hand drive kit is $285. This actually requires more parts and thicker material to do. And again, it's difficult to explain why, but there's reasons for that. So it's going to cost us more to make, more time, more material expense, and there's less market. So the left-hand drive kit was $285. The right-hand drive kit will be $295, plus some shipping. So go ahead and if you would like to pre-order one, there'll be, my email address will be a link in the description below. You can go ahead and click on that and PayPal a $50 deposit, again, along with a note that this is to order the right-hand drive screen mount kit. And as they go into production, then we'll have an idea, oh, did only 10 people reserve, or did 110 people reserve? I mean, I kind of need to know this before we start ordering materials and batches of bolts and all that. So that's where we're at with it. Let's see here, what else? Oh, there's a couple other cool things coming up with the screen mount kits. Those of you that get the right-hand drive kit will see what I mean, but we've been able to streamline production and figure a few cool things out. I've also got some ideas on some changes, some convenience changes in that to make to the mount kit. So I'm pretty excited about it. So anyway, I think that's it for today's video. So excited, very excited about this, and looking forward to getting these screen mount kits in the right-hand drive Model 3 owners' hands, so you guys can enjoy what the left-hand drive Model 3 owners have been enjoying for 6 months now. So anyway, that's it for me for today. I appreciate you guys, and excited about this. I've got a couple other cool things coming up in the works that you guys will get a kick out of seeing, but this is the big item to share with you today. So anyway, that's it for me. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section below, and as always, stay charged. Bye-bye now. I think I'm gonna get a lot of orders for these.